has been reported in Delhi's Prashant Vihar as more details have been emerging according to sources, the blast seems to be of low intensity. And joining us live from the very spot where this explosion that has been reported is Bhavtosh. Bhavtosh, over to you if you can give us more information over this explosion that has been reported.
Well, Amita, the first call was made at around 11:48 in the morning. The call was in fact reported at Bansi Wala street shop, and here the call said that there is a loud explosion. It was a low intensity blast, and one person who was in fact in in tempo, he has got injuries. Now, this is a very crowded area in northwest Delhi, and as soon as the first call was made, the first responder was Delhi Fire Service, followed by the local police. And looking into the gravity of the call, the Delhi Police's ATS, which is Special Cell, they also reached the spot. Now, this incident follows the similar kind of explosion that happened outside CRPF Public School. In that case, Delhi Police has filed an FIR under sections of Explosives Act. That case has not yet been solved. What the police sources have said is that white powder substance, which is very similar to aluminum nitrate, that has been recovered from the spot. This is a very crowded area. In fact, there is a mall also very next to the spot from where the blast has happened, and you can see there is a large number of people who in fact gather here in afternoon and also in evening. The first responders were fire department officials who reached the spot. They were the ones who in fact informed the Delhi Police personnel who also reached here. They informed the Delhi Police's ATS as per the protocol, and the ATS officials reached here. What sources have said is that a powderish substance was recovered here, but the intensity of the blast is such that there has been no damages. But a person who was in fact driving a tempo, he in fact got injuries. These are very minor injuries that happened. Now, as of now, the police have said they are in fact investigating as to what exactly happened. But what the police have said is that the first call was made at around 11:40 in the morning. The senior officers from the Delhi Police, including the Joint CP, they have all arrived here. No official statement has been made by the police, but two incidents happening very simultaneously, and both incidents happening in the same locality of Prashant Vihar, which happens to be in northwest Delhi, something that the police is investigating. As of now, only Delhi Police personnel are here, and they are all investigating this case. Back to you.
If you can describe the area for our viewers, Bhavtosh, where you're currently reporting from, we'll get a better understanding exactly what may have happened a few hours ago.
Well, this area falls in northwest Delhi. It is in north.
Just getting that line reconnected with Bhavtosh, but what he's been pointing out, as Times Now Steve is reporting from the very spot there, you can see that there is police presence as the area that has also been cordoned off, where this low intensity blast that has now occurred. This is in Prashant Vihar. As more details that are now emerging through sources, what we are also learning that there has been certain white powder that has been found at the spot, and the blast probably was to create certain disruption. So through sources from the Delhi Police that we are learning, as far as this now becomes part of the investigation, where we can see that the teams that have also arrived to uncover as far as what could have been this blast, the very nature of the blast, and what could be the possible motive. However, this explosion that has been reported in northwest Delhi's Prashant Vihar. We'll continue to get you live reports from the ground itself. In the meantime,